Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how to allow Instagram to assess camera. So for that we have to just go to our settings over here, and in settings we have to go to privacy, and in privacy you can see that on the very top is an option for camera. You have to click on that, and in camera you have to just go to the gear like option over here. You have to click on that, and once we are over here we have to click on Instagram. So basically why Instagram need access to camera? In order to just capture the videos or the photos, you click by Instagram. So you can just click on Instagram now over here, and once we are over here you can see there are three options: allow only while using the app, ask every time, and don't allow. You can choose any one of them. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.